Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you the direct and the fastest way to upgrade your Windows 10 to the latest version of Windows. So it will take around 5 to 6 GB of update, but it will directly update your lowest version of the Windows 10 to the latest version. So just open any browser and search for download Windows 10. Okay, just download that and just click on the very first link. You will find it over here that download the update assistant. So just click on here and click on update now. So start downloading. Okay, it will take around 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, as you can see that my laptop is the latest version, so it will not show up that download this version of that. If your laptop is not the latest version, it will show up that download the latest version of the Windows of 20H2 or something like that of the Home series, and for the Pro series, and it might be somewhere around 2012. That okay, I don't know the exact version of it, but yeah. So hope this video finds it useful and you can upgrade your laptop. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.